In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a funnel in ClickFunnels. We're going to walk through the process from the moment you log in all the way to having a live funnel you can share with your audience. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. First, from your ClickFunnels dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and find the main navigation menu. In that menu, click on Funnels. This takes you to the central area where all of your existing funnels live and where you'll create new ones. Next, we're going to create a brand new funnel. On this page, look for the button that says Create Funnel and click it. This is your starting point for building anything in ClickFunnels, whether it's for leads, sales, or events. Now you'll be asked to choose a funnel type. ClickFunnels offers a variety of pre-built funnel frameworks, each designed around a specific goal. For list building, you'll see lead funnels like the Lead Squeeze funnel, which focuses on collecting email addresses with a simple two-step setup, and the Summit funnel, which is great for hosting virtual events and rapidly growing your email list. If you're selling products, look at unboxing-style funnels. A book funnel works well for low-cost offers that introduce people to higher-ticket products on the back end. A cart funnel is optimized for a streamlined checkout experience, often with upsells. A challenge funnel is ideal if you want to run a multi-day challenge that builds engagement and drives sales. For offers that rely on education or presentations, you'll see options like the video sales letter funnel, where a video does most of the selling, the webinar funnel for registrations and follow-up, and the product launch funnel for building excitement before a release. There are also more specialized options, such as bridge, application, hero, or storefront funnels, depending on how you want to position your brand and offers. Choose the type that best matches your main objective. Before you commit, each funnel type includes training materials. You'll usually see an overview to explain what the funnel does, a strategy section to show how it fits into your marketing, and an implementation section that walks you through setup. It's worth taking a few minutes to watch or skim these so you understand how the funnel is meant to work. Once you've chosen your funnel type, scroll through the available templates within that category. These templates handle the structure and design for you. When you find one that fits your business and style, click Select Funnel under that template. ClickFunnels will now install the funnel into your account. After a brief moment, you'll be given a choice. You can click Close if you want to come back and work on it later, or click Customize Now to jump straight into the funnel editor. If you're ready to build, go ahead and customize right away. From here, it's time to complete your funnel setup. Go through each step in the funnel and customize the pages. You can add, remove, or rearrange them to match your flow. If you're selling something, add your products so they appear on your order pages. Use the page editor to adjust headlines, colors, images, and copy so everything matches your brand. Next, connect a custom domain if you want your funnel to live on your own URL, and set up payment integrations if you're accepting payments. Then create your workflows, such as automated email follow-ups and any additional automations you need. Before you launch, carefully test your funnel. Click through every page, submit test forms, and if applicable, run a test purchase to make sure everything works as expected. When you're happy with it, go to the funnel settings at the top right, switch the funnel to live, and save. Finally, copy your funnel's URL and share it with your audience. At this point, your ClickFunnels funnel is live, functional, and ready to start generating leads or sales for your business.